Let's try the unicorn technique with the heatless hair curler. This is my first time trying this technique, and I heard it's a more comfortable position if you're a side sleeper. Very similar to a French braid, you're going to start by taking a small section of hair on one side and wrap it around the curler. When you repeat again, you're going to grab another small section to add into that first section of hair and wrap it around again. Like the traditional technique, try to wrap as tight as you can around the curler so your hair does not come out in the middle of the night. The one big challenge about this method is you can't see behind your head while you're wrapping your hair. This may take a little bit of practice, but don't worry, keep working on it, you'll get it. Try to wrap your hair all the way into the ends and then take your scrunchie and wrap it tightly around the bottom. When you're done, you're going to have a very long hair curler tail. Once the bottom is secure, the curler is not going to go anywhere, so it's up to you if you want to wear the hair clip overnight or not. Spray liberally with hairspray and time to go to sleep. It's now the next morning and time to take the curler out. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited to see what the curls look like since I haven't done this technique before. Use your fingers to gently break up the curls and style how you like. What I do like about this technique is there's a little bit more lift at the crown of the head. Share your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you try this.